Hi, I'm Liam, and today I'll be reporting your Miller Creek Panther Beach Day. This is bubble soccer.
When Mr. Zeller asked me if I wanted to sub for him today, I said, "Are you kidding me? Yeah, I want to sub today."
Hiked up on beach day.
Wow, what a fun beach day. Back to you guys in the studio.